Good day, viewers. I remember myself again. Orenenyerowo Otemu teaching on YouTube. I encourage you, if not yet subscribed, to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Man Success. Let's talk about distance between 2 points. Before I solve this problem, in a graph, we have both the x and the y axis. We have both the x and the y axis. Let me say, let P be here. P here is now x1, y1. Let me put Q here, which is now x2, y2. So when you now draw from here to here, you now take here down. Here is arrow. So this place will be our y2, y here will be our y1. So we can say y2 minus y1. So let me call here x1. Let me call here x2. So here will be, no, let me call here x2, sorry. And here's our x1. So here's x2 minus x1. So now, using Pythagoras theorem, pq squared is equals to q p arrow square plus q arrow square. This plus this one square and this one square. Actually, Pythagoras theorem says that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. Let's say PQ now. What is P arrow? Is this and this, which is x2 minus x1 all square plus what is now Q arrow is y2 minus y1 all square. When you now remove, make PQ the story of the formula, we now say PQ now is the square root of x2 minus x1 all square plus y2 minus y1 all square. When I now say let PQ be equal to D. So therefore now I will now say D is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 all square plus y2 minus y1 all square. So that is the formula we're going to use to solve this problem. We say find the length of the line segment with endpoint 3, 6, 6, 2. So here is x1, y1. Here is x2, y2. So by the formula, we say distance, we say D now is the square root of x2 minus x1 all square plus bracket y2 minus y1 all what? Square. So D here, it will not be, okay, let me take it up. Let me take it up. D now will be the square root of what is now x2. Look at x2 here, 6. What is x1? Is 3. 6 minus 3 all square according to the formula plus what is y2? Y2 is 2. What is y1? Y1 is 6 all square. So now D is equal to the square root of 6 minus 3 is 3. So here is 3 square plus what is 2 minus 6 is minus 4 all square. So D now is equals to what is 3 square? It gives us 9. Then what is minus 4 square? It gives us 16. So now D, what is 9 plus 16 is 25. And what is square root of 25 is 5. That is example number 1. So let's do example number 2. Let's do example number 2. And number 2 is telling us that 3, 8, 2 is 2, 8 and 6, 5. Solution. So the same way we solve number 1 using the formula D is the square root of x2 minus x1 all square plus y2 minus y1 all square. So yes, x1, y1, x2, y2. So D here will be the square root of what is now x1 here, x2 here, x2 is 6. 6 minus what is x1 is 2. 6 minus 2 all square plus what is now y1, y2, y2 is 5. What is y1 is 8 all square. So the distance between the 2 points here will be the square root of 6 minus 2 is 4. So here is 4 square plus 5 minus 6 is minus 3 all square. So D is equal to what is the square root of what's the square of 4, which is 4 times 4, give us 16. What is minus 3 times minus 3? Give us 9, which give us the square root of 25 and is equal to 5. So this is how you can solve distance between 2 points when the problems are given to you. God bless you.